Everyone, I'm Pierre-François Mijotte. I'm CEO and co-founder of Heart Kinetics, a company incorporated last year in Belgium. Our vision is to offer the patients tools for the management of their cardiac chronic disease. And our mission is to deliver technology that allows cardiac function self-assessment for remote monitoring of astronauts and patients. Our technology was born with the support of the European Space Agency, and we are very proud that next year our technology will be on board the International Space Station and used by Thomas Pesquet. Cardiovascular disease is the first cause of death in the world, and its end stage is heart failure. There are several COVID-19 comorbidities, such as myocardial infarction, myocarditis, acute onset of heart failure, cardiac arrest. Heart failure is what you have when your heart is too weak to pump enough blood for all the needs of your body. And there are several side effects and signs that are common with COVID-19. So weakness of the patient, persistent cough, dyspnea, edema, which leads to decompensation and frequent hospitalizations, which bear a big burden on healthcare systems. The tools of the cardiologist to diagnose and follow cardiac patients are the electrocardiograph or ECG, measuring electrical activity of the heart, and the echocardiography, the system that measures the mechanical function of the heart, measuring stroke volume, ejection fraction, cardiac output, image of the chambers, and so on. While there exist tools for at-home monitoring of ECG, there is none for echocardiography. We are in contact with clinicians, Dr. De Keyser and Al Morat from the Bruckmann Hospital in Brussels, and they tell us that all cardiologists have now turned into COVID-19 specialists. All non-urgent consultations have been cancelled. Patients are called by phone, prescriptions sent by post-mail. There is a lot of fear around this pathology. Hospital visits to emergency have dropped to 50%. Even the care team fear using traditional echocardiography in the ward. There is an abnormal low number of heart attack and stroke. So they expect a second wave of patients that is coming, and patients who postponed anything, and they will be in even worst case. So there are urgent unmet needs. Post-COVID-19 patient will require physical revalidation, regular assessment of cardiac complications. There are existing and new reimbursement codes for teleconsultations. For COVID-19 follow-up and non-COVID-19 continuation of care, hospitals are readily using free and unsecured solutions. And there is a lack of solutions to objectively report what the patients feel. So there is an urgent need for automated cardiopulmonary assessment that is validated by cardiologists. And this is where Heart Kinetics is a champion at, as we were born from within the cardiology department of the Erasmus Hospital in Brussels. Our solution, Kino, is a device to record cardiac vibration. It can be done with a smartphone or a medical device. The data are sent to the cloud, where our data analytics and machine learning can deliver a full report to the care team, an adapted feedback to the patient, and all this can only take place in 2 minutes, and we can also collect third-party data. What is unique to our solution, and we received the first prize of the European Society of Cardiology for this, is that we calibrate these vibration from the chest and the body to deliver kinetic energy, the linear and angular value, all over the cardiac cycle. And these are exceptional measures that would require an echocardiography to do it. That's the alternative. Our patent is entering right now national phases in several countries in Europe, and we target also the US and Asia and China. We have several clinical evidences. First of all, on top here, ejection fraction and the gold standard measures from echocardiography, stroke volume, cardiac output. We prove that our technology is very close to this golden standard. We can follow cardiac deconditioning that occurs during spaceflight. We have diagnostic capability in heart failure patients with the hospital, Brugman Hospital. We have a connection to the National University Heart Center in Singapore, where we started collaboration on a very specific stem cell treatment, but our main target there is to reach the registry of over 1,000 heart failure patients. We have diagnostic capability of myocardial infarction and also stress echo for cardiopulmonary exercise test in the Netherlands. We can enlarge also our market potential because our solution is, let's say, useful for every cardiac pathology. So cardiopulmonary exercise test, dialysis, even obesity. But the focus of today and for COVID-19 is to offer a solution for teleconsultation, such as services such as Dr. Anytime, Doctolib, YesDoc. We have been in contact with some of them. So we have two different products, the simple smartphone based only and the complete solution with a medical device. That will be the subject of a later development and focus. Today we are focusing on the smartphone application only. And we aim to offer this to a platform for teleconsultation such as Dr. Anytime or Doctolib. The model would be the practitioner pay a fee, a monthly fee, while the patient pay per act. So it's measures and diagnostic. We can evaluate this solution to offer management of chronic disease. And we will very soon start a clinical trial on COVID-19 patient with Brugman Hospital in Erasmus. The model is that on the platform, such as Dr. Anytime or Doctolib, there is an advertisement for existing contractors like caregivers. They would pay an additional fee for our services. For them, it will help get the attention of cardiologists, and we would pay a brokerage fee. The data would only be acquired by the patient and transferred to our secured cloud data analytics. Then the report would be sent to the caregiver prior the teleconsultation. You can see us as the cardiac function Swiss Army knife for all video consultation services all over the world. So it means a market of around roughly $2 billion. So our market is all consultations that would require a cardiac assessment. Out of this, 6.25% are teleconsultation right now. So this is increasing also. By reaching only the 4 neighboring countries of Belgium and with very low penetration rate, we can reach between 1 and 4 million obtainable market. We have a team of co-founder. I'm a physicist with a PhD and a complementary master in management. Amin is a biomedical engineer. He is taking care of the smart app development and the device development. Damien has 2 masters in engineering and in computer science. He's responsible for our IT infrastructure, all the machine learning solutions. We are looking for additional partners. And as you can see, first of all, we were born within the cardiology department of the Erasmus Hospital in Brussels. We have contact with hospital in the Netherlands, in Germany, and in Singapore, where digital health is really mainstream since over 10 years. So a patent targets US, China, Europe. We received first prize of innovation from European Society of Cardiology. We already developed clinical trials with foreign partners. We got to the finalist second place at the Digital Summit got into the alpha at Web Summit and were part of the finalists of Tech2 contest final. So we are working now very hard to develop the backend, the front-end solution and the smart app to deliver it by July this year and make it available first in clinical trials, then proving the class 1M, developing the ISO needed for that. We would then develop 2023 the clinical data and the device with a pivotal trial reaching a class 2A, so a diagnostic capability. Later on, we would develop the AI and machine learning predictive value, then a multicentric pivotal clinical trial to reach a class 2B, and be able by 2026 to sub-license the solution to nearly every country in the world. For this, we need to raise 2.5 million for the next 2.5 years. We would then go developing the R&D program, the regulatory one, increasing the team to a number of 10. We hope that you will help us help the healthcare system and the patient that really need today innovative solution for patients that are at home, that should stay at home with this COVID-19 isolation issue. Our vision is that healthcare should be available everywhere for everyone. And I thank you for your attention. If you wish to reach out, please contact me by phone, email, or via LinkedIn. I thank you for your attention.